first, to answer question 2, we have to understand what is principal angle and what is reference angle. Now, reference angle is what you have already done. So let us see what is reference angle. Say for example, I use blue. So for example, sine x is equals to half. I want to find the angle, right? What I will do is, okay, I put minus half. What I do is, I need to find reference angle first. How do I find reference angle? Oh, I say reference angle is simple. I just put sine inverse half, usually, right? And then reference angle equals to what? I press my calculator. Very good, 30. So once is 30, once is 30, usually I'll put here x equals to what? Oh, this is negative, right? So it's in this quadrant, then what happened? 180 plus 30. So 180 plus 30, and then 360 minus 30, and then I have 2 angle, right? So this is my reference angle. This is my reference angle. But today we are not talking about reference angle, we are talking about principal angle. Now this one, I seldom mention to you all, I seldom mention to the class. So what is principal angle? Now, principal angle is any angle that is between, okay, so I say this angle is between negative 180 to 180. Wow, very cheap, right? I don't know what is this, right? So, to put it simple, whenever I want, you see the word principal angle, I just need you to use calculator. Ta-da! The answer is out. Now, what do I mean by that? Now, look at the first question. First question, so I want you to first understand that principal angle, reference angle are two different things. Now, first question says, I want you to find sine inverse half. Agree? For sine inverse half, okay, let's try calculator.
30.
Okay, very good. 30. So, we know that this angle is 30. We know this angle is 30. We know this angle is 30, but I cannot get the mark. What is the reason? Because they want it in radian. Very good. So then we have to convert this to radian. How do I convert this to radian? So pi radian is equals to 180. Very good. So I want 30 degree. So 30 degree convert to radian. Pi over. So ask myself, this one divide by what?
180 times 100.
180 times 30. Tak. Wrong. Oh, okay, good. Like that, right? This one times this one divided by this one. Okay, but I need, okay, there's a problem with this because I want it in pi. So how? So I ask myself, 180, how to get 30? Divide by some number. You try? 180 divided by 30, divide by some number. Try a calculator. Very good. Divide by 6. Which means 180 divided by 6, I will get 30. Agree? So if 180 divided by 6, I get 30. This one I also must divide by 6. So then I can write 6 radian, right? Not battery, because I close the sensor. Therefore, for part 1, what is the answer? Very good. The answer is equals to pi over 6. Just like that. And that only worth 1 mark. Okay. Now, so let us try, but because it's very straightforward, right? I just press and then I get the answer. Now, can you suggest to me how do I do part 2? Same, right? So cosine minus 1 and then negative 1 over root 2. Now, why do I want to explain reference angle and principal angle? Why do I purposely want to explain this? Because in reference angle, we always what? We always ignore what?
Negative.
Very good. We always ignore the negative sign. But in principal angle, do we ignore the negative sign? No, we include. Whatever gift I put in. So what do I get? 135. So then my next question is how to convert 135 to radian, because this is in degree. So let's begin. So pi radian is 180 degree, right? So I want to find 135. Actually, there's a method. Do you want to learn the method? The method is I just need to use this multiply, and then this divide. Have you heard of this method? No. So it's okay, or another way. Okay, another way is this. Another way is, how about I want to find 1 degree first. How to find 1 degree? I do what?
Divide by 180.
Very good. I divide by 180. Here I also divide by 180. So what do I get? Pi over 180 radian, right? Okay, now I'm ready. I want to find 135. What do I do? Times 135. So times 135. Here I also times 135, right? So times 135. So this is pi over 80 times 135. So what is the answer? This is my answer. Okay? So I just need to simplify this. Okay? Okay, I'll stop the video.